Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer BNB from Phantom Wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're holding BNB in your Phantom Wallet and want to move it over to Crypto.com for staking, trading, or just better management, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double check for any updates since crypto evolves fast. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have both your Phantom Wallet and Crypto.com accounts set up and verified. You'll need some BNB in your Phantom Wallet, and remember, we're dealing with blockchain transactions, so fees and network speeds might vary. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app or extension on your device. If you're on mobile, launch the app. On desktop, click the extension icon. Once in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the BNB asset from your list of holdings. Step 2. In the BNB section, look for the Send or Transfer button. Tap or click it, then enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid mistakes. Step 3. Now, you need the deposit address from Crypto.com. Open the Crypto.com app or website, go to your wallet, and select BNB. Find the Deposit option and copy the BNB address provided. Make sure it's for the BNB Smart Chain or the correct network. Phantom typically uses this by default in 2025. Step 4. Back in Phantom Wallet, paste the Crypto.com address into the recipient field. Add a note if you want, then review the transaction details, including any gas fees. Hit Confirm to broadcast the transaction. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to confirm on the blockchain. This could take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Crypto.com account to see the BNB arrive. A quick tip. Always use the correct network. BNB on Phantom is usually BNB Smart Chain. Also, enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for security. If you run into issues, like failed transfers, check for sufficient funds for fees or contact support. There you have it. You've successfully transferred BNB from Phantom to Crypto.com. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.